Poppetals. We got a shit ton of cards though. I do like this. Yeah. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. We got some mail in today. This is a pretty big package. This is a smaller package. And we got the mother load of all packages. So yeah, let's just start with the smallest, right? Yeah, that was easy. Let's see what's in this baby, right? Oh. They all have the same way of... What's this? Alright. A stack of cards. Another stack of cards. Probably a lot of cards that I just need to get my collection going. This is the Fossil Excavation Kit Reverse Hollow. And we got a Hollow Braxton promo. Okay. Here we go. We got Shroomish. That's a cool card. We got Sandshrew. That's a special looking card. We got Pidgey. We got Gible. Maintenance. Makuhita. Shuttled. Wigglytuff. Mega Catcher. Last Special. Brock's Grid. Misty's Determination. And we got Greedy Dice. Golbat. Lycanroc. Awesome. Rockruff. Voltorb. Lucario. Starmie. And Hariyama. Alright. That was the first package. Not bad at all. It's gonna take me a while to get all this stuff into my collection. Alright, let's get to the next one. Alright. This is some next level packaging over here. Oh yeah. Bam! Alright. Let me just... Alright, so I got them all out. I thought I'd like pause the video for you guys, because it's boring seeing me open all this stuff. Let's see, there's 2 cards in this. So this is a Reverse Hollow Pokemon Catcher from Sun and Moon. Let's just get that focus going. Yeah, okay. And we got Torkoal Reverse. Alright. This is a bigger pack. There's more in there. We got Nidorina. Sandshrew. Mudkip. E-Series. No, it's not E-Series. Is it? That's Ruby Sapphire, I think. Purloin. Mudkip. Next. I just took this Primeape because I thought the art was amazing. Reverse Primeape. And we got a Hollow Shiftry, which is really nice. We got Litten. It's not a promo. Reverse. And we got Reverse Rotom Dex. We got Reverse Nuzleaf. And we got Reverse Clefairy. We got another Reverse Clefairy. And we got Reverse Hypno. And there's some more cards in this one. We got Murkrow. Shuppet. Misdreavus. Magikarp. Goldeen. And Glalie. And Alolan Graveler. There's not more cards in this. There's only 2. So we got Turtonator. Reverse. And we got Alolan Sandshrew reverse. We got reverse Brooklet Hill. We got, look at that cute art. That's so cute. The little sheller over there, ducklets. We got reverse Slowpoke. We got reverse Glameow. We got reverse Psychic's Third Eye. We got reverse Slowbro. And we got Ancient Trait Vespiquen. We got a cute reverse Shinx. And we got reverse Slowking. This is more commons, uncommons, I guess, because there's a whole ton. We got Combi. We got Special Energy, Dangerous Energy, Faded Town, Carvanha, Gramble, Goomy, Rotom, Paint Roller, Alolan Grimer. We got reverse Esper. And we got reverse Pokemon Catcher. It's a different one than the first. We got reverse Luxray. And we got reverse Meowstic. We got reverse Heatmore. I really like that Pokemon. And we got reverse Dragalge. We got reverse Doublite. And we got reversed Durant. There's some commons, uncommons in here. Alolan Geodude, since we already have Graveler. Electrike. Ralts. Beldum. Larvesta. Wooper. So that was that package. Let me just pause the video and we'll open the big package. It's gonna take a while, I guess. Oh Lord. Look at this. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? What? I see some energies. Oh my. We got everything. Oh my. Well, let's get this sorted. So yeah, that was a shit ton of sorting. These are all energies. Damn it. I just sold all my energies. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $94 energies in there. From 370 cards, 94 energies. I think I'm not gonna call all the cards out. I think we're gonna do some quickly. Go through them and sort maybe trainer. Yeah, that's not needed. Alright, let's go. That Sneasel you're gonna counter a lot. Because while sorting I saw him discard also a lot of times. There it is again. Oh man, my hand is gonna hurt like this. Alright. Let's Let's make that stack a little bit decent, like that. There we go. A lot of double. But yeah, I can sell those, no problem. Darkness energy, special energy. Oh, Sneasel. We get Sneasel again. Discard again. That is a cool card. This one is also pretty cool. Ooh, I like this. This is the, like, it has the logo in there and it's hollow. Energy Search again. Again, Sneasel. Sneasel, Sneasel. Oh man. Let's go. Spearow, Sneasel. This is a cool card, Machamp. Sneasel. Hey, wait, this is a reverse Sneasel. Cool. A reverse Seeking, reverse Shuffle, reverse Meditate. Lopunny. Too bad this card is pretty damaged. Steelix. We got a reverse. Reverse Mismagius is also pretty damaged. Alright. Man, we're going fast like this, right? Get Goldeen. We got a shit ton of doubles though. Alright. We'll continue with the last cards in the next part. Yeah, let's go. Alright, Omastar. Reverse Love Disc. That's all upside down. Slucking. Cool Executor. Rampardos. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Some Delta Species. And we got the Energy Search again. We got some pretty hardcore cards, man. Just kidding. Hippopotas. We got a shit ton of cards though. I do like this Weavile. Look at that. And Reverse Seal. That's cool. Never had a Reverse Seal before. I dropped it already. So yeah. He's dead. Hey, Walrein. Hello, Walrein. Urshiren. Abomasnow. And Pokemon Rescue is final. So yeah, let me think what you let me guys hear your opinion about this video. There was a lot of comments in here, not too many special cards, but I enjoyed getting these cards because I think they're gonna like add a lot to my collection. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be back with more Pokemon videos and of course gaming videos and whatever. See you guys later. Peace.